The doctrine of the infinity of God, yung kanyang pagiging walang hanggan. At ang good news nung ganito, Ryan and Joanne, yung Diyos niyo na walang hanggan, actually, siya ang nagsimula ng inyong walang hanggang pagmamahalan.
I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really mean to love, 'cause we're living.
Unang kita ko, akala ko masungit. Masungit. Kasi nga, vokalista. Hindi pala. Nakuha sa isang chat. Totoo naman.
You know the door to my
Una ko impression, mysterious. Kaya, hinabol ko. Kasi gusto kong masatisfy yung curiosity ko. Eto na.
Ang gusto kong ugali mo, pikon. Pag inaasar ko. Pero bumabawi naman.
to show. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really mean to love.
Ang gusto kong ugali niya, from the start pa lang talaga, maasikaso siya. Walang akong kilalang tao na kasing asikaso nito. Yun. Wala.
Palya.
Siya lang. Hanggang sa kape, sa pagbasta ng damit, sa susuotin, sa pagkain, meron pang plating yun. Oo, pang-asawa talaga to.
And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave.
Da, pangako ko, babawasan ko ng pagiging babae ko. Magiging flip ko minsan. Basta, diyan ka lang palagi sa amin. Love you.
Ma, ang pangako ko sa'yo, hanggat buhay ako, hanggat meron akong lakas, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, nandito ako para sa iyo, para kay Riley, hanggang sa dulo ng buhay ko.
How deep is your love? How deep
Ma, mahal na mahal kita.
is your love?
Baby, they might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday.
Ryan, ikaw ba na kay personal na humarap sa akin bilang legal na tagakasal, kasama ng pagharap mo yung pangabang buhay na desisyon sa iyong sarili na mamahalin at pakikasama si Joanne?
Opo.
We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life.
Sa hirap at ginhawa, kahit anong mangyari, sa huling patak ng aking dugo, ikaw ay aking mamahalin.
Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. Still the one I run to, the one that I belong
ikaw ba'y personal na humarap sa akin bilang legal na tagakasal, kasama ng pagharap mo yung pangabang buhay na desisyon sa iyong sarili na mamahalin at pakikisama si Ryan?
Opo. Isuot mo ang sing-sing na to. Gusto ko pag sinuot ko to sa ito, hindi mo hubarin kahit anong mangyari. Sa hirap at ginawa.
Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let 'em say we're crazy, I don't care about that. Put your hand in my hands, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart.
And we can build this dream together, stand it strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Kahit flip yan. Love na love namin yung mga pamangkin niya. Isa din yun sa mga naging second mother namin. Bukod kay Yaya tsaka kay Mama. Si Tita talaga yung takbuhan namin yung mga bata.
Basta yung pagiging ama, yun ang importante. At syempre, pagiging mabait na asawa sa iyong minamahal na Joanne. Jo! Love you.
Nandito lang ako, kunyari mag-away kayo. Diyan lang ako sa bahay namin, inom na lang tayo. yun lang. Congratulations, best wishes. I love you both.
Magmahalan, magtiyaga, pasensya.
Just 3 words. Sincerity, love, and honesty. And go and multiply.
Magbigayan, laging mag-usap pag may problema. Unawain niyo yung isa't isa, mag-usap, pag-usapan kung ano man yung problema. Pag merong hindi pagkakaintindihan, mag-unawaan.
Congrats sa inyong dalawa. Joanne, congrats.
Joanne and I would like to thank everyone who helped us. Financial, emotional, mental, spiritual. Hindi namin ito ma-accomplish without you. Sa mga pumunta, yung mga maagang umuwi, thank you for attending. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Hindi namin to magagawa nang wala kayo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.